everyone, welcome to our lesson 8 class 3 of African drum and singing. Today I'm going to teach you the second verse of the song Umbombela. So it's gonna go like this. When you Umbombela, when you get Guseni, when you Umbombela, let's try again. Ready? When you Umbombela, when you get Guseni, when you Umbombela, now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? When you Umbombela, when you get Guseni, when you Umbombela, This is the end of our African drum and singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.